Hello friends, this is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel VSCode. Today I am going to show you how we can create initial Django application. And many developers face difficulty in Windows platform regarding Django intelligence issue. So let me show you how we can resolve this. So first of all, we are going to create a initial project for Django. Let me create one folder for a make directory demo. So Django, okay, cd demo Django. Okay, I'm going to enter folder. Now we are going to create a virtual environment. So for that, let's create virtual and folder Python VNV virtual environment. Here you can give virtual environment folder name. Now I am use VNV. So it's create virtual environment folder. Let's open demo Django. Here is virtual environment folder. Here is all the stuff that Python created for us, scripts. Okay, now let's activate our virtual environment. So VNV scripts activate. So now our virtual environment is activated. Now let's install Django. Pip install Django. So now it's installing Django. Okay, now Django is installed. Now let's create a project. Start project. Python Django start project, and project name is like app. Okay, this project I created. Now let's verify that our project is created successfully by running Python manage py run server. So it's run on localhost environment using 8000 port. So let's see on browser. Okay, so now our Django successfully basic initial setup is successfully created. Now let me show you regarding configuration issue, Django intelligence issue. So now I'm going to quit that server data running on local environment. Now going to open Visual Studio Code. So let's open my project. So here is the project open. Okay, now first thing we have to verify basic thing regarding if you face any intelligence issue, Django intelligence issue, you have to verify that interpreter should use virtual environment. So let me click here. It show me the two interpreter part. This is the default location where my Python is installed, and this is the virtual environment Python current project virtual environment. So I have to select this one. If you do not have virtual environment here, then you have to select this one. This is the one thing. Another thing is for Django extension. If you have not installed, then install it. If you have already have installed, then you have to note down this thing, configuration relationship. Copy this thing. Let me copy this thing on Notepad. Here I have this thing, and other is one element emit. Okay, this thing we have to add in settings. So go to file, preferences and settings, click here, open settings. So here I have to add this setting information. So let's copy this thing, this one, and this thing. Okay. Now I added this basic requirement stuff for Django Intelligence. Okay, now close it and close this instance, and let's open again, reopen that instance. Okay, now it's open. Okay, let's see that our Django Intelligence is working or not. So see, it's working now. So this is the main thing. When you have any difficulty regarding Django Intelligence issue, then you should have to first of all verify two things. First thing is interpreter. Python interpreter should use virtual environment exe, and other thing is you have to go to preferences, settings on, click here to open settings, and here you should have basic information that we get from the Django extension. Okay, I hope this video is really helpful to developers who face the difficulty on Django Intelligence issue. Okay, thank you friends, bye.